Hi, I'm Craig Wagner from Sheet Metal Workers Local 18. We are at the beautiful facility, Resch Center in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Today, as you can see in the background, Local 18 has a booth where we are building tool trays. It is a very good opportunity for the students to get the hand-on opportunities to see exactly just a small portion of what our trade does. A lot of times we'll get some of the students that are coming right now that are juniors and seniors, and we'll actually have the youth apprenticeship that our contractors can put them on. Once they are able to become an apprentice, there is a small cost. It is $600 to be tuition for the school, but they get a B or better, they get that $600 back. Also too, when they are in school for the 8 hours during day school, they are also being paid as if they were being on the job site.
Earning while they're learning.
Earning while they're learning, 100% correct, yes.
Is there anything that you can say, what made you choose to get into this field?
What made me choose this career was definitely always liked working with my hands, liked being outside. And we do have a great opportunity for members that want to be in the shop, stay in the shop the whole time, can do the shop, can be out in the field. I just like being on the outside. And also with our trade, you're always developing something from a flat sheet of metal. You're creating something new every day.
Really interesting to learn about some of these new careers.
Yeah, I think it's really cool. There's a lot of cool opportunities here for apprenticeships, all that. It's just really cool opportunity.
Yeah, I'm really trying to take advantage of this because I'm looking to do a career after high school in the trades, so.
There's all different trades here, all the way top to bottom. Carpenters, laborers, operators, masons, the bricklayers, they're all here. So if you have any interest in any of those fields, you can stop in and talk to them. They'll get you signed up. There's an apprenticeship program, which is highly successful to a union contractor because they're going to train you. We're going to send you to training. They're going to train. They're going to have a lot of training that takes place, and then it'll help us in the future. Now, as far as how successful they can be, once they reach a full journeyman scale, there's a large wage that comes along with that, and they can make a great career and a good living off of those wages. Plus, as an employer, we then actually pay a lot of the benefits back to the unions for these individuals in their future retirement ages.
It's a win-win.
It is.